Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the #1 best free PLR site online. That's right, it's 100% free. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, stick around to the end because we're going to have a dad joke. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now here we are at a site called Free PLR Downloads. Now Free PLR Downloads has been around for quite a while now, and it is 100% free. Now how do they make their actual money? If you have a look at the site, you'll actually notice it has an awful lot of ads. So they would literally be making their money from when people visit their site and they see these ads. So you can actually, when you click on something, let's just say you click on this one here, and all of a sudden you'll see this ad come up. So you just close the ad, and then when you're here, you'll see other ads pop up as well. So that is how they make their money, through Google AdSense. So if you have a look at this site, let's go from the beginning and we'll actually have a good tour around and have a look at what this site is actually like. So let's have a look at the different kind of ebooks they have. Alright, so they have over here the free PLR ebooks, you've got free master resale rights ebooks, and you've got the free standard resale rights, which is just resale rights ebook. Then you got your free personal use rights ebooks. Now over here you also have free software, which is you've got your free PLR software, your free master resale rights software, as well as free standard rights software. Then you have video courses, free PLR videos, and they don't seem to have any in the master resale rights or standard resale rights, so you're only getting free PLR videos here. And then you also have free PLR News Letters and free PLR Articles. Now another thing you really want to have a look at are the download tutorials. You want to have a bit of a look at that, and you might also want to have a look at the frequently asked questions. But let's have a look at the free PLR ebooks to start with. We'll click on that, and as you can see, you can go through and have a look, and these ones are actually PLR ebooks. And you have to look here, you'll actually see it written in the title, free PLR ebook, and as you go through you can have a look and see if there's anything here that piques your interest that you might decide to turn into a product. Now I would see something like this and go maximum profits from free reports, maximum opt-in conversion, maximum web traffic report, and 7 steps to PLR profits. They all have very similar images and could easily be turned into a funnel. You could turn each of these into a video course, and then you could easily turn them into a funnel. Of course, after you've edited them, and I would suggest you use Quillbot or WordTune for something like that. And then you would, which by the way, I'll have links in the description down below for those. Now, I would strongly suggest that you edit these PLR ebooks and then turn them into a course. Why not? Turn them into a video course, and this way you can make some money online. It's a really great way, and the best part about it is you have pretty much a pre-made sales funnel right here and right there. You can create some PowerPoint presentations and then turn that into a course. Really simple, really easy, and it would only take you a few days to get done. To be perfectly honest, that would be a really great way of turning this into a product. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at other ones. Let's have a look at, let's just say, this one here. I'm going to click on this one. Now let's download this one. Now be careful, because a lot of these here are actually ads. When you see the download buttons, as you click on that one, that'll be an ad as well. So just be careful you don't accidentally click on the ad. The one you want is the one that when you highlight over the top of it, it turns black. the button turns black. That is your actual download link. So you click on that and you download that. And let's have a quick look at what you can get. Just going to pause the video while I wait for this to download. Alright, here we are. I'm just going to quickly open this up. Now, you get your source file, which should by rights be a... If I open that up, I'll have a quick look. Open up. Because I'm in the zip folder at the moment. So, okay, so it's a Word document, as I suspected it would be. Now let's have a look at the license. I'm just going to quickly open that up. And I'll drag that over here if I have to. Okay. Can be sold. Can be used for personal use. Can be packaged with other products. Can modify and change the sales letter. Can modify and change the main product. Can modify and change the graphics and e-cover. Can be added to paid membership sites. Can put your name on the sales letter. Can be offered as a bonus. Can be used to build a list. Can print, publish offline. Can convey and sell personal use rights, resale rights, master resale rights. Can be given away for free. Can be added to free membership websites. Can convey and sell private label rights. So that's fantastic. Pretty much you can do anything you like with it. So this is what I'd probably call unrestricted private label rights. So that is this one here. So let's go and have a look at what else you have. So then we've had a look at the PLR ebooks. Let's go and have a look at the software. Let's have a quick look at what kind of software you can get here. So you've got PLR Software, you've got the Viral Toolbox, you've got your Spam Learner Pro, you've got your Viral Article Publisher, HTML Lockdown, Simple Sales Copy. Don't get that one, because I know for a fact that this one is not coming with the exe file. I've already downloaded this and it doesn't come with the exe file, so don't go for that one. But you do have other ones here. I haven't looked at these, so I'm assuming these will have the exe file somewhere in them, and you can use that to then you can use the PLR for that. So let's go back over here. Now let's go and have a look at the videos. Oh, actually, I'm going to go and have a look and see if they have any master resale rights software. Oh, they do. Okay. I wonder if these are WordPress plugins. They probably are. Description introduced via list builder software. You can use to build a highly profitable open mailing. Okay. So this one looks like it might well be. I'm guessing it's probably a plugin of some kind. And as you go through, you can have a quick look at what sort of things they have here. And this is for master resale rights. You can also go here and have a look and see if they have standard resale rights, which is just straight resale rights. Squeeze page synergy. Oh, they do, which is fantastic. Let's have a look at some of the master resale rights ebooks. Alright, so these ones here are the master resale rights, and as you can see, there are lots here. It goes up to 30 pages just for the master resale rights. Actually, how many pages does it go for your private label rights? I didn't check that. Yeah, it goes over 30 pages as well. So yeah, as you can see, lots and lots of choices here. And then you got your standard resale rights. There probably aren't be now. There's only one in that, which is good. And then you got your personal use rights, which may or may not have any here at all. Oh yeah, here we go. There are some personal use rights ones here that you can sell or that you can have for yourself and use for yourself. Alright, so that's good. Right now, going over here, as I said, we've got the private label rights videos. You can go through some of the private label rights videos. Okay, so terrific turbo traffic, I think that is, yes. Then you got your unstoppable Google marketing, post 911 comeback, and there we go. So there's not a lot under private label rights videos, but you don't get any in the master resale rights, and you don't get any in the standard resale rights. No, you don't get any in the standard resale rights either. So over here, you also get your free newsletters, so that you can have a look through here and have a look at the types of newsletters you can go for and the different types you've got. Now let's go and have a look at the end. It goes to 5 pages, so let's go and have a look at what is on page number 5. Okay, so you can see that it goes for about 5 pages, so that's not too bad. So let's go and have a look at the last one, which is free PLR articles. Now this is one you could use on a regular basis because they have lots and lots and lots. As you can see, over 20 pages. Let's go to the last page and we'll see how many pages they actually have. 23 pages in total of just PLR articles. So that is a huge amount of articles, and they are all free. Now, if you would also like to perhaps look at doing a particular niche, you can actually go through here and you can find the niche that you're looking for. It might be internet marketing, might be network marketing, parenting, finance, entertainment, entrepreneur, Facebook, family, and then you've got all these different options you can choose from. Meditation, mentoring, self-help, self-improvement, social media, and the list goes on. YouTube, let's have a look at YouTube. Seeing we're on YouTube, we might as well have a quick look at what sort of things they have to offer. YouTube, in-stream ads 101. Okay, how to make $200 a day with videos. All right. Your first online business, social media, creating the perfect YouTube marketing video, YouTube saturation, TubeJacker. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them here. And you have to have a look and see free PLR, free PLR, free PLR, master resale rights, master resale rights, master resale rights, PLR, PLR, master resale rights. And as you can go through, you can have a look at the types of ones they have. So that is what this site is about. Now, as I said, the way in which they make their money is through Google AdSense. They upload videos and they obviously have it set up so they constantly get ads, and everybody who comes to visit their site essentially gives them money for seeing the ads on their site. And that allows them to be able to earn some money and give us free PLR. I mean, that's the wonderful thing about it, is they give us free PLR for going to their site to download free private label rights. That is amazing. So do support these guys because they do give us free PLR. And when you go click on their thing, have a look around at some of the ads as well if you want to, if they pique your interest. And they will be targeted to you, so because Google has their analytics and so forth, they'll target the ads to you, so it might be something you're actually interested in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Now it's joke time. Let's go check it out. Joke time. A husband and wife were sitting in the lounge room one night watching TV when the husband starts to say to the wife, "Darling, you've been there through all the hard times. You've been there when we had the flood come through the house. You've been there when the house burnt down. You've been there when I've had sickness. And you've been there when the children left home and got into the car accident that night. Darling, I just want to say, I want a divorce because you're bad luck." Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Now, over here is a video I believe you might actually like. And down here is a video that YouTube is going to recommend for you. Now also, over here where the round circle of my head is, that is a button that you can click to be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.